how to use Rythm Bot in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add each Rythm Bot on your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, let's go ahead and open up our Discord. So search for your Discord and open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can go to another tab and search for Rythm Bot Discord. After you do that, you should find a website called top.gg where it'll give you an option that says add Rythm Discord bot. Tap on that and you can be right here. You can log in into your Discord and let's head back to top.gg where you can see that what this Rythm bot can do. So after you're here, you can tap on invite Rythm. After you tap on it, it's gonna redirect you to a Discord web. So let's just wait till it loads. And there we go. Now select a server that you want to add it to. Let's say that I want it on this server right here. After you've selected the server, tap on continue. And finally tap on authorize. After you do that, go to the captcha. After that, it will start loading and take you to rhythm.fm. Now you can go back to your Discord and they can head over to the server that you just selected and they can see that you have added Rythm Bot. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.